Hey, it's Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut here in Santa Monica, California with my man Jose from Ecuador, the Chocolate Man. And so we had him on the show recently, and he's got the most award-winning chocolate bean in the world, and he's got this 100% chocolate, so there's nothing else in here but pure cacao. And so he's going to talk about all the ceremonial benefits and the nootropic benefits, the good stuff for your brain, and really what cacao is all about. So Jose, welcome back to the show.
Thanks, man. So episode 2 of Ecuadorian cacao in Santa Monica, California. So these are the best bites to actually melt it down and do like a, you know, breakfast drink or ceremonial cacao drink, or if you want to melt it in butter, whatever you want. It's actually, you know, 100% cacao chips.
So you can make like hot chocolate with this?
You can make hot cacao drinks, because this is not chocolate, this is like actually pure cacao. It's 100% cacao. You don't have cacao butter or anything else here. So
this goes amazing with that secret honey you have. When are you going to bring the secret single flower medicinal honey from Ecuador onto the market?
We are going to bring it down. You can find it at our website. You can buy it under Certified Health Nut. Get a big discount there, 15%, maybe
the
20%.
Promo
code, yeah. Certified Health Nut. And yeah, guys, like one of the things that I want to share is that actually cacao is really good to start your intention, to share your inner, or to get deeper in your inner work, as breath work, as journalism.
Journaling. Gratitude journal.
Gratitude journaling, or like maybe like
meditation.
Get creative, meditation, yoga, whatever you want to do is a great supplement to start your morning with. It's like a good substitute for coffee. It doesn't have caffeine. It has a theobromine, which is better than coffee because it helps you relax and it helps you to be more enthusiastic on your day without, you know, the caffeine, actually, you know.
This is actually my secret, guys. The Certified Health Nut is all doped up on cacao 24/7.
Yeah. It opens your blood vessels, so it's good for your heart, and it's good for your heart in like a, actually in a holistic way as well. It's good for relationships. So February is a big month. Some Valentines is coming, you know. So we are going to have like a big discounts. We're going to be around California giving some chocolates away. So stay tuned to the Certified Health Nut channel. We're going to share where we are going to be.
So this activates hormonally. This also activates the oxytocin. I heard that one time. Is that true?
Yes, it has like
the love hormone,
anandamide as well, which is called the bliss. What is
the bliss molecule?
The bliss molecule, yeah. It's
anandamide.
Anandamide. And well, what else? It's actually good for everything almost, but it's really good to get some clarity on the mind. So that's why it's great to drink it on the morning. It energizes you up. It's good for the love as well.
I throw one of these in my rasa drink.
Nice. So yeah, it's really good cacao with some rasa. I think it has like mushrooms, right? Like cordyceps, or maybe like lion.
It has a little bit of reishi and chaga, and then it has some other adaptogenic herbs.
Nice.
So I like it for the flavor.
Nice.
And then I throw a little bit of your honey in there too.
Nice. It's amazing. So yeah, the honey is local from California. It's raw organic honey. You can find it at the website. And add some cacao into it. Avoid Nutella. You can just melt the cacao bites into some bread, or, you know, with some blueberries, and get boosted. Yeah.
So again, this high quality Hacienda San Jose chocolate from my man Jose from Ecuador is amazing. You can find this in Erewhon, Lassens. Are you in Mothers in Orange County too?
Not yet, not yet. growing slowly, organically. So help us out, like get to the stores. We're going to be doing demos, like big promos on Air Ones on February, big promotions there. So if you get in there, like when we are like actually doing the demos, you can get a lot of cool products for free. But yeah, don't forget about like the benefits of cacao. Avoid coffee. I don't know what else you want to say, Troy, but yeah.
Well, you got to try these things. They're amazing. It's the type of thing where you don't really know it until you experience it. And so you don't know real chocolate until you experience it without the sugar.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with a little bit of honey or a little bit of sweetener for it to make it a little bit more enjoyable. But there's something very interesting about the bitter. I broke my fasting window with about 3 of these things a row right now, and I actually feel pretty euphoric.
Nice.
You know, I'm off caffeine right now except for whatever little theobromide chocolate caffeine molecules I've got going on inside my head. And so, but for the most part, I'm off coffee, I'm off tea, and I feel lifted. I might have had 5, you know,
Yeah.
not 3, but I do feel pretty lifted, and you got to experience it. So see Jose in the Air One Market and Lassens. You'll be doing demos for February, and look out for them. And have a great day, guys.
Have a great day, guys.
Psycho chickens out there in cyberspace.
Cyber monkeys.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and then check in the description box. All the programs that I have to take your health and consciousness to the next level is in the link below.